Another metal detector! Another metal detector!
Alright, this video is about this coin that I found several years ago, probably going on 4 years now. I have no idea what it is. Well, I didn't, and so I had tried taking dimensions of it to try and figure out what it could be, but none of the dimensions actually fit. The OD, fit certain types of coins, but the thickness was way too thick. So recently I started, putting in vinegar solution, and then also like a degreasing solution to try and get some details out of it. And well, this is the reverse side, and on the other side I was finally able to get some type of image out of it, and that's what she looks like now. So it definitely looks like it's a large cent. If I can get the angle just right, it's once it's wet, you can kind of see like like a bun or something like that in the back of the head. So it looks like it's from the early 1800s, but still I can't get any type of date. Once in a while you can kind of see a star up in these areas that go around the coin. But my question is, how much farther should I really go? Is there something else that would really be able to get the dates to pop out? I was even thinking about, what about electroplating it? Like throw a coating of like silver on top of it to pop it out. I don't know. Does anybody else have this type of problem? And what is the solution? It's yeah, sure. I'm sure it's got some value to it, but I really would like to know what it is. I don't know. What's your opinion? If you can type below, some solutions, that would be great. Thank you. Bye.